Hello everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a review of Maono's Dual Lavalier microphone set. Now the particular model that I have here with me today is Maono's AU200 model, which simply means that it comes with two microphone heads. Now, if you're in the market only for a single microphone head, then it would be worthwhile to look into their AU100 model, which also sells on Amazon, which is where I was able to pick up this device as well. Now, in this video, we will be doing an unboxing just to see exactly what comes inside this microphone bundle. And we will be going over the various ways that you can use this microphone. As I mentioned before, there are two microphone heads, so you can use this microphone set if you're doing maybe interviews, podcasts, maybe if you're connecting it to your DSLR camera, to your smartphone, or to your PC. There are many ways that you can use this microphone as it has a wide array of compatibility. And we will follow up this unboxing of this microphone bundle with an audio test where we will be using this microphone both outdoor and indoor so that we can assess how well this microphone secludes background noise and highlights the vocal sound. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing this microphone bundle. Okay, so one of the first things that you notice when you open up the box is that there is a user manual, and within this manual it outlines exactly what comes inside the microphone bundle, and it also indicates how you can set up your microphone with various devices. As mentioned before, this microphone bundle is compatible with smartphones, computers, tablets, laptops, and even DSLR cameras. Now, one key thing about the microphone, which is this microphone set here, is that there is a sort of central microphone hub. And this microphone hub will allow you to sort of like fasten the bottom part of the microphone to your hip, and then it allows you to expand the other two ends of the microphone so that you can fasten them to either person who is using the microphone. And on this hub as well, there is a switch, so you can change the microphone from passive to active. So if you're using this microphone with your smartphone device, then you would leave it in the passive, which means that you would have to turn it off. And then you put it in the active mode once you want to connect it to other devices, like maybe your DSLR camera or your PC. And because there is an active and passive mode on this microphone setup, there are batteries. So this microphone bundle does come with two button cell batteries, which are batteries that can easily be found and replaced should they run out of power. But I'm pretty sure that with these two button cell batteries, it would be able to last a pretty decent time with this microphone set. Now, one of the things that's very poignant about this microphone is that it comes with a very long cable, and this cable is about 20 feet long. So this is very good if you need to be in a position where you need to be a faraway distance away from the recording source. Now, the wire is long, so it can be a little bit cumbersome, but it does come with a nice Velcro strap in order to keep the wires under control. So this is a very nice feature that comes with this microphone bundle. And as I mentioned before, there are two microphone heads that are here, and there are duplicate accessories for either microphone. So like I said before, you have the sort of needle nose clip that you fasten onto the microphone and then clip onto the individual. There are three clips that are like this. There are also foam wind stoppers. This will definitely come in handy when we use this microphone outdoors, as it helps to limit any wind noise that might enter the microphone. And there are three wind stoppers that actually come inside this microphone bundle, just in case you do lose one. What's also useful about this as well is that it comes with a 3.5 millimeter jack to 1/4 inch converter. So let's just say you want to maybe connect this microphone set to your PC. You can do that using an audio interface such as this one here. So you simply take your 1/4 inch with the microphone plugged into this side, and just plug it into the interface. And then you're ready to maybe start podcasting or maybe doing your YouTube live streams. So very good that it comes with this accessory as well. Now, in order to keep all of this in one sort of spot, they have provided you with a little carrying pouch that is branded with Maono on it. Seems as though it's a pretty sturdy pouch, okay? So, and it's big enough to hold all of the accessories. Okay, so pretty much this is what comes inside the microphone box. And what we will do now is we are going to do an outdoor test and then the indoor test. And within this test, we will be using a DSLR camera, a smartphone, and then we will also be connecting the microphone to the PC, just so that we can see whether or not this microphone offers a better sound quality versus the built-in microphone that comes on the DSLR camera or on the smartphone. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this audio test. So it's a bright, beautiful day. It's actually 33 degrees out. Let me just show you that there. Okay, and we're going to be doing the external test, or the outside test, using the lavalier microphone set. Now, right now, I am recording on my DSLR camera, and I am using the built-in microphone. Once we get to the public park, we're going to plug the microphone set in, and then we're going to see whether or not they actually improve the audio quality. Now, these are dual lavalier microphone sets, so we're going to need a second person in order to do a proper testing for these microphones. So today I have with me Adriana. All right, she's a little bit shy, but she's going to be assisting us with this test, and she's going to be saying a few words in both English and in Spanish. So let's get this test going now. Okay, so I have my DSLR camera recording, and right now you're hearing me through the built-in microphone on my DSLR camera. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the microphone set, I'm going to plug it into the camera, and then I'm going to attach it to both of our shirts so that we can see whether or not the microphone isolates the background noise. All right, so let's do that test now. Okay, so this is how the microphone sounds when it is connected to my DSLR camera. And I'm sure that you can probably tell that it's doing a bit of a better job to isolate the background noise, even though we are in a very noisy environment. So this is how the microphone sounds. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test using the dual lavalier microphone set by Maono. And this was the test using microphone 1, and this is how it sounds using microphone 2.
Probando, probando, 1, 2, 1, 2, así es como suena el micrófono de la marca Maono. Dual Lavalier.
All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to replicate the same test using my iPhone 7 Plus, and we will use the built-in microphone first to see how that sounds, and then we will connect the microphone to the smartphone device to see whether or not it does a similar job as when connected to the DSLR camera. So let's get it into that test now. Okay, so right now I have my iPhone 7 Plus running, and I am using the built-in microphone without using the lavalier microphone. So this is how it sounds. We're in a noisy environment, and you can probably tell that maybe it's picking up some background noise. So let's go ahead and plug in this microphone set, and just remember that if you're using it with your smartphone, you simply need to change the switch from active to passive. So while I was using my DSLR camera, I was actually using the switch in active. So this is just a little side note. Okay, so let's do the test now. Okay, so as you are hearing me now, you are hearing me through the lavalier microphone set, and it is currently connected to my iPhone 7 Plus. And I'm sure that you can probably tell that it's doing a bit of a better job to isolate the background noise. So this is how the microphone sounds using microphone 1. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test using Maono's lavalier microphone set. And this is how it sounds like using microphone 2.
Probando, probando, 1, 2, 1, 2. Así es como suena el micrófono lavalier conectado a un smartphone.
Okay, so this pretty much concludes our outdoor tests. Next, we will have to test out how this microphone sounds when it is connected to a PC. So let's get going with that test now. Okay, so we have finally concluded the outdoor tests. Now for the next part of this video, I just want to show you how this dual lavalier microphone set sounds when it is connected to the PC. Now, some of you might be needing 2 microphones in order to conduct interviews on your podcasts, or maybe you might need 2 microphones for conferencing calls. So I would like to demonstrate how to connect the microphone to your PC, and then I want to do a recording and then take the recording and insert it into the video so that you can hear how this microphone set sounds. Now, there are 2 ways that you can connect the microphone to your PC. You can simply take the 3.5mm jack of the microphone and connect it to the PC, and then you have to be mindful for the switch option that you have here. So you would have to turn it into the on position on your microphone hub here. The second way is to use an audio interface. Okay, so if you have access to one, you can use an audio interface such as this one here. And because the microphone bundle does come with a 1/4-inch converter, you simply plug it into the microphone input here. Okay, and then you plug in your microphone and then you're good to go. So just for the sake of this test, I will be doing the audio test using both methods. Connected directly to the PC and then connected to the audio interface. So let's get going with this test now. Okay, so right now I have the dual lavalier microphone set connected directly to my PC using the 3.5mm jack. Now, as you can see, I am recording through Audacity and I can monitor the audio levels. And if I just stay quiet for 1 second, you can see that there's a pretty low audio floor, even though the gain is set to approximately 66%. So we will go ahead now and we will do the audio test. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test using Maono's dual lavalier microphone set. So this is what it sounds like using microphone 1, and this is what it sounds like using microphone 2.
Probando, probando, 1, 2. Así es como suena el micrófono Dual Lavalier conectado a un ordenador.
Okay, so there you have it. Now, to follow up with this test, I would like to connect the microphone to the computer using the audio interface. Okay, so right now I have the microphone connected directly to my audio interface, which is connected to my PC. And as you can see here, if I just stay quiet for 1 second, you can also see that there is a pretty low audio floor. So there's not that much background noise, which is a good thing. So we're going to continue with this test now. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test using the Maono dual lavalier microphone having an audio interface. So this is what it sounds like using microphone 1, and this is what it sounds like using microphone 2.
Probando, probando, 1, 2. Así es como suena el micrófono lavalier conectado a un audio interface.
All right, so there you have it. So this is how the microphone sounds, and if I wanted to make a final conclusion, is this something that I would recommend? I would have to say yes if you need it to do interviews. So if you need a mini discrete microphone set that you can have and that has compatibility with your various devices, whether it be a DSLR camera, your PC, tablet, or smartphone, this would be a pretty good, affordable option. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I want to say thank you for Adriana as well for helping me out on this video as well.
I tried.
And in addition to that, if you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. And if you enjoy the channel as a whole, please subscribe as it does help us grow. Until the next video, guys, take care.